We are now going to perform an automatic titration with the Particle Charge Analyzer. We are first going to draw 100 milliliters from the sample and dispense this inside of the measurement cell. Slide the cell back onto the instrument and align the magnets. Next, turn on the instrument and then wait for the reading to stabilize. Once we have a stable reading, we are going to place the dispensing tube into the measurement cell and then press titration. We will enter the sample volume, in this case it is 100 milliliters, and then begin the titration. The automatic titrator will begin to dispense the titrant reagent and compare the millivolt reading with the zero endpoint. As the titrant reagent takes effect, you can see the millivolt levels start to move towards your desired endpoint. As the titration is occurring, the touchscreen display will show the titration curve in real time. Once the endpoint is reached, it will display the result.